Hi everybody, I'm Shasha Cai. This is my textile term project and my topic is textile is the most important element in our fashion design. I have 20 slides talking about what we have learned this semester. Firstly, I want talking about the fiber characteristics. The terminology I'm choosing hand, which means how the fiber feels when touched, and stretches, fiberability to withstand stretch. And this item, Lululemon's yoga wear, is made 69% nylon, is strong, and the thermoplasticity, that means how a fiber reacts to heat. I like this Lululemon's luxury fabric. I think it's perfect for a yoga wear because it's staying cool when your practice pays up, and softer rubber texture, touch, hand feel, and also it's eight fibers for stretch and sharp retentions. Second one I'm choosing for the terminology is solvency. That means the ability to take in the moistures. I like this unicorn t-shirt because it's heat technology made from the bio-warming material that converts from the bio-warming material that converts body moistures into heat and keeping people comfortable all winter. So it's both bio-warming and moistures absorbent. Cotton is the most widely used fiber, and with the terminology luster, refers the light reflectance. The longer stable fibers, the better quality and the more lustrous. I think it's a good choice to use stable fiber for the high-end sheets in luxury hotel because it's a high-quality cotton. We offer soft hand, good abstraction resistance, and luster. Silk is the only natural filament fiber. This is a tarsha, which is an exquisite thread obtained from a wide-winded moth. I like this dress because it's excellent drap and good hand luxury thinnest natural fibers matching this elegant design. Polyester. This man-made fiber is so popular among kids' toys because it's soft hand, very good elasticity, and durable. Elasticity means the ability of a fiber to increase its length when under tension and its ability to recover its original length when released. Spandex. This is also man-made fiber, and I think it's a perfect design to use the spandex and nylon to make the swimming suits so beautiful, and also its excellent stretch, hydrophobic, and good durable. The hydrophobic means the fear of water. Yarn. This yarn I'm choosing is blended with bamboo line, highlighting bamboo's beautiful sheen while creating a fascinating thick to thin texture Blended means a yarn that made up 2 or more different fibers. Thread. Thread has the features like accident, stretch, and low risk of breaking, elasticity. For the terminology, I want to introduce the loop. In loop knitting, long dangling loops are introduced into the middle of a knit fiber along an end. The loop may appear singly or in large clusters. I think this thread is made of film-grade cotton grass. The fiber is soft, smooth, and durable. It's a good example. Plain oven. I choose this classic plain oven fiber in this standard pearl color. Apply for the soft bar cover. Looks very comfortable and also it's durable because plain weave gives a firm construction. Terminologies: warp yarns. Warp yarns means yarns that run lengthwise, is vertical from the top to the bottom. Stain. Stain fiber is my favorite because it's glossy surface and it looks smooth, good hand, and shining. So I choose this Victoria's Secret drop bag, and the wear set is, I think, all over thin and gorgeous drop bag. So it's a good using. And for the terminology, I use a filling yarns. That means yarns run best from the left to right. Knit. I like choosing this knit wool cashmere blend cardigan dress because I like its the amazing dropping effect by knit. It looks so simple but impressive, especially in the tail. I want to mention the terminologies both. That means vertical columns of stitches in a knit fiber. Jersey knit, also called the single knit, that's the fiber on a circular machine with one side of needles having a definite space and back. This is a classic polo shirt, come from the fine cut jersey fibers that contains specific pattern of knit and track. So this is a good use, and I use the details as a background so we can see how the knit exactly is. For the other textiles, I choose lace because lace is my favorite and it's also most widely used, from cheap to expensive. So as a merchandise, maybe you can choose cheaper, and also you can choose expensive for the luxuries. Lace is a kind of non-wovens. Non-woven fibers, that means neither knit and or woven. They are made by the bonding or tangling fibers together, use chemicals, thermal, or the blend means. So this bedding dress is a good presenting example of the lace materials because it looks elegant and attractive. garment dyeing. Garment dyeing means dyeing assembled garment. So I choose this Goldie shoes because it's made fully after assembly and then dyeing. So that also can called object dyeing. Cross dyeing. Cross dyeing means you use a single dyeing bus that contains two dyes that attract to different fibers. So I like this cross dyeing makes the scarf looks two different color and two different size. Hand screen printing. Hand screen printing means cut parts of garment are placed along the table, and one by one each screen is placed on the pieces until all the color parts are complete. So I love this lecture silk scarves because its process mix pigment together and both them to create the perfect color to the design. Once the color are prepared, the silk is stretched on a printing table on the screen applied to the silk. This is one by one and each screen a new color patterns to build the final patterns. That's very traditional and very lecture. For direct prints it means print that's added directly to the white or precious dyed fibers. Generally speaking, the backside is white. So I want to mention the DVF print stretches because it's classic, and also the last month we launched HM homeware line with the prints on the such as zebra, very DVF prints on the cup, some homewares. Finishings, I want to choose the facade because this is a permanent finishing in which the it looks very parquet effect. I like this little girl's dress with the PC shines and it's good for the celebration. For the cares, I choose the Moncler because it's very detailed label, care labeling, direct how to clean it, how to wash it, like temperatures, like how to dry it, and also they has a cartoon describing. For the terminology I want to mention is care labeling. It means the U.S. federal regulations and European nations require labeling of garments which direction to properly care and cleaning the clothes. Final is the regulations and laws. I choose the Children's Flammability Act. This is a gap with good label marked as children's safety. That means the government has been tested for this act. And that's it. Thank you, Professor. Happy Mother's Day. That's it. I try my best to hurry up because I don't have enough time. It's the first time for the recording. Okay, thank you.